Hey YouTube, this is Technical Side. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and digital exploration. In this video, we'll dive deep into the process of setting up Kali-Linux, a powerful security-focused operating system right on your Windows machine using Windows Subsystem for Linux WSL. But wait, there's more. We'll also introduce you to Win-kex, a nifty tool that brings a full graphical desktop experience to Kali-Linux within WSL. Think of it as your secret weapon for uncovering vulnerabilities, testing networks, and sharpening your hacking skills. So grab your favorite beverage, find a cozy spot, and let's get started. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional Kali-Linux environment at your fingertips, ready to explore the depths of cybersecurity. And hey, even if you're not planning to become the next Mr. Robot, understanding security fundamentals is essential in today's digital landscape. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech adventures. All right, enough chit chat. Let's unlock the power of Kali-Linux together. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Run the following command. WSL install. Follow us out. Wait for the installation to complete. It will install Ubuntu by default. Visit the Kali-Linux website and choose the WSL platform. Click Download to open the Microsoft Store. Install Kali-Linux from the store. When prompted, set a new username and password for Kali-Linux. In the terminal, run a sudo apt update. to start Win-kex in window mode with sound. Kex-win-s. And there you have it. Kali Linux is now up and running on your Windows 11 machine, and Win-kex provides a graphical interface. Don't forget to explore Kali's powerful tools from network scanning to password cracking. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.